Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you actually start to add something. We can start to realize on a situation that we can start to see on the progress. So we have really to know about something that is called set add table on Figma. First, what we're gonna do is about to add table is really to be about to use rectangles for rows and okay and columns. Okay, so maybe this is really not good, but we add text box inside it, the cell, but we can see that we can start to add a plugin which is really create table, well, like Tableau 5, and we can see the table is really like this. We can start to add Tableau 5 CSV, CV is okay, so maybe we can start to unify this column and okay, we know arrow found, so we can type table again and do with a different plugin, maybe create table creator, which is raises one, and then create table. Now once you do that, the table will be created automatically in front of you, and we need to create a new template like this. And you see right here guys, just really awesome. You can start to add a copy paste of many tables of it. Okay, so that is really what I gonna say. I hope you see guys this video